Hey guys, Dr. Matt here at LifeWorks Integrative Health. Today I wanted to go over foam rolling and the benefits of it for your body. You know, a lot of people today are foam rolling. A lot of people not that are just trainers and professionals, but they're foam rolling to help to loosen up the myofascial muscles within their body. And what some of the research is showing today is that foam rolling is actually more beneficial than static and dynamic stretching because it has that compressive forces on those tight muscles. You see, as we age with inactivity, our muscles become tight, and it can make it more difficult for people to move and have normal, healthy range of motion. Foam rolling can help to improve performance, range of motion. It helps to break down some of the scar tissue that's in those muscles, release those trigger points, and help keep you functioning longer. So, how should you foam roll? What should you do? I'm going to show you a few things for mid-back, lower back, as well as shoulder and some glute/knee issues. So I'm going to step back here so you can see me. And for your mid-back, it's real simple. You're just going to start it kind of right at the lower part of your mid-back and just roll back and forth. And you can even get your arms up on the roll to really increase the range of motion within your thoracic spine. For your low back, it's important to roll the lateral side of your glute and your thigh to really loosen up the glute muscle. What this will do is it will take some tension off of the lower back. What happens is when that glute becomes weak, the low back muscles become tight and go into spasm. And so this helps to loosen up that tight glute as well as the lower back when we're doing this. And then there's some other exercises that we'll actually do with our patients to help strengthen the glute max. But what you're doing is you're actually releasing the glute med here to help relax that. And you want to do it on both sides. For your knees, rolling your hamstrings, very important, because hamstrings will compensate for instability within the knee as well as in the lower back. And then finally, your shoulders. When you're having some shoulder issues, the reason why people have shoulder issues is because of instability, or I should say lack of motion in the thoracic spine. So rolling out the lateral side of your thoracic cage is very important to help those shoulders release. And it could be painful if you hit a few areas of really high amounts of trigger points. And guess what? That's okay, because that's that compressive force that helps to release that tension along those shoulders. So if you're having shoulder pain, if you're having knee pain, if you're having low back pain, try some of these stretching exercises and rolling exercises with a foam roller. And then if you want some additional help with that, we can always help you here at LifeWorks Integrative Health. You can just click the link above, give us a call, or check us out on our website.